Hey gang, it is Tom, the CEO here at Cash Flow Experts, and I want to talk to you about something very important. As you probably have seen, we have a business debt consolidation program that is killing it, helping people with up to $500,000. That's right, $500,000 in business funding that can be used for a lot of different purposes, but people find primarily the sweet spot of using this particular money program is to get rid of their old personal debt. So high rate personal loans and debts, whatever they may be, they're dragging you down because they're reporting publicly on your personal credit profile, dragging your score down, causing you high interest. So one of the things that's come through on a lot of the emails we've received are questions about the program. As you know, the deadline is at midnight, so I wanted to answer these and address these immediately. Here are, pardon me, the top 5 questions people have about this program. Which program? The Business Debt Consolidation Cash Program. Number 1, how much does it cost? Normally, this program costs $567 because it comes directly out of my national best-selling Shortcut to Money Secrets business course that I'm sure you've seen before. That's been a very expensive bestseller for many, many years. Very thick, very, very meaty, very stout program. But today, until midnight, it is at a big discounted sale price for this specific limited time offer. As you know, we just celebrated our 22nd anniversary. So this is one of the ways that we thank those that have been with us, supported us, viewers, members, subscribers. So you're getting a substantial discount reduced from that normal $567 price. Number 2, question 2, is this guaranteed to work for me, Tom? Yes. As you can see, it's absolutely guaranteed to work your money back. You can see that very clearly on the website. Number 3, how much funding will I receive? Well, it's written in the descriptor of the program. You get as much as you want with our company helping you. So that's the point of this program, is you're not cast out alone on your own. You get as much as you want with our company helping you get up to $500,000 with our full assistance. If you want more than that, and I know some of you do, after we've worked together for a few weeks, then you're on your own to use the resources that we've given you. We're going to send you a welcome package, right? We're going to give you all the deets when we get on the phone with you. So you can use all the resources that we've given you in this program, and you are free to get even more than this $500,000 in funding, because there is no maximum amount any one business can get. So it's a fallacy to think that your business can only get a certain amount of business funding and then it will be stopped or shut down. In a given year, there are certain programs that may go up to $3 million a year per business. So those may be caps on specific individual programs. But when you combine all together, all the different programs that we have available, you can get literally as much funding as you wish or you want. This program is earmarked and designed specifically to get you a boost, turbo, a blast start to get your first $500,000. How fast can I get the money? That's question number 4. You will get it as quickly as you take the steps that we lay out for you. Some people get it in days. Some people, like human beings, procrastinate, and it may take them 2 weeks. It's all up to you. We work for you as fast as possible. There's no faster way, nothing. There's no other way, no other method that you can use or divine that you can do it better or faster than we. 22 years as experts in this industry. That's over 2 decades by my math. Okay. So the last question is, what can I do with this funding once I get it? Question number 5. Anything you want. It's all cash-based business funding and the equivalent, which means there's no escrow. When the cash is put into your account, you can use it to, obviously, pay bills, grow your business, make investments, advance yourself a salary. If you're just starting out, you may not have any other means of income coming in. Well, you don't want to wait until this thing turns cash positive, which may take you a few months. You're able to pay yourself an advance, so to speak, from that business credit. Just simply make a note of that in your member control agreement for your business, and everything I've ever seen makes it good to go. You can use it to start something new. A lot of people are in that market. You can invest in real estate or anything else you want to do that is business related. But remember, what is the definition of what this program is being brought to you as a hallmark about? The definition of this program is to be used as business debt consolidation. So that is the primary reason that I've found that many people want to come and utilize our services and utilize a program like this. You may have spent money out of your own pocket on your own credit cards to get your business started. You may still be advancing money. in your business. That's your own cash that's showing up, pardon me, in reporting and on the public agency, so everybody can see you've got more and more and more debt. It's dragging you down, down, down. This program is primarily designed to address that one first burning need, and then money, obviously, for all of the other things that people have a desire to want to move forward for in their business. So again, what is this? It is the Business Debt Consolidation and Cash Savings Financing Program. You've probably seen me do the voiceover video that goes through all the details of what you're going to see with your own two eyes on the checkout website. But again, I want to go quickly over for you the three most important things you get in this program when you order and join today by the midnight deadline. How do you do it? You click the order link that's beside the video screen or possibly below the video screen. 1, 2, 3. 1, you get money given to you for any purpose that is only reported in your business name. We give you access to up to $500,000 in cash-based business financing to be used for any need that you have. An additional income account, number 2, an additional income account is also created for you and tied to a store. Whose store? Our store, that we already have loaded the products, that generates retail sales for you and distributes the profits that you make back into your account that you own and control. So we are known nationally, worldwide even. We have clients from all over the world. So we have a store with a lot of high traffic, a lot of buyers' interest. We will actually put you as a profit maker into that storefront also, so that you can start directing some cash in sales out of that. It's a win-win-win situation, helps everybody. That's why we do that for clients who invest and enroll in this kind of program. This is money. When I say income, I mean it. This is money that you can withdraw and spend, plus that income that you're going to see registered in a third-party verified account will start making for you proof. It is providing proof that your business is profitable enough to get the largest loans possible. One of the big sticking points, tripping points I see in some business owners is they have nothing. They have no history, no track record. We provide that with our absolute guaranteed services so that you can see you're making money. The vendors and the lenders can see that your business is starting to make money and it's scalable, so you can get the largest amount of funding provided to you as possible. Number 3, you will be given a real person. That's right, a human being, not AI, not just a faceless bot. Somebody from our staff. I already paid their salary. I've trained them very diligently. You'll get somebody from our staff who's an expert to work with you hand in hand to help you do the things that you want to accomplish. So you don't need to waste a lot of time or be forced to learn anything complicated in this process. It will be as easy as answering 3 questions on a check-off box. Boom, boom, boom. Form, and then your funding can be delivered to you in your business name. Again, that is the key purpose of this. So if something bad happens, something goes wrong, you don't necessarily need to be hung out to dry or put on the hook. When you go through this process in the right way, the business way, it's not tied directly back to you. Okay, so this is a very powerful and profitable program for you to be able to take advantage of. All you need to do is simply click the Order Now link that is beside or below the video screen. That opens up the secure checkout page that again has the details in printed black and white, so you can review them again. Go ahead and click the order link on that page that takes you to the place where you enter in your payment details via credit card, debit card. Do it immediately and click submit now, because it will be gone and sold out and revert at midnight back up to the full regular retail price that everybody's happily paid for the, probably 17, 18 years since that program was last, launched in a huge reconfigured extravaganza. So been a best-selling product for a long time, has worked amazingly well. The urgency of today's offer is it is discounted. It is given to you in as easy to consume and simple a method. So you do not have to, in this program, you do not have to wade through all of the detailed step-by-step worksheets, checklists, and engrossing information that many students have enjoyed learning, consuming, and then developing in their business. This is literally a shortcut to one of the most important processes in that course, in that program, and that is once you've spent your own cash, once you've, God forbid, taken out equity out of your own home and used that money to invest in business, once you've reached into your own wallet and used your credit cards over and over again to get the business started up off the ground, that's fine in an initial stage, but now you're at a stage where your business can pay you back. It can pay you back completely. It can reduce and remove all of the so-called bad debt that people personally rack up in starting a business that can get you back on solid footing to where you're at net 2% rate instead of the astronomically high interest rates that the lenders like to charge us when we are getting loans in our own personal name. The multiple advantages of business ownership and business financing and funding: tax deductibility, immediately 20% of your income comes tax-free. All of these business lines of credit, all can be deducted and expensed on your tax returns. Of course, you use your accountant's judgment in each of the things that you're doing. I'm not providing any specific legal, business, or tax advice. I'm telling you what I've seen works over and over again. It is a huge advantage to us that is only available to those of us who are business-minded, want to be business owners, and use a business program to do this kind of debt consolidation and so much more. That's it. I'm out of here. Click the order link beside or below the video screen. That will take you to the secure checkout page. Again, you can read the recap of the details of this program. Don't delay. Don't sleep. Get in before the midnight deadline, and you will have something absolutely amazing. And I'll be very pleased and honored to help you every step of the way use that program. Take care, everybody. Ciao.